Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. So today is the final set of skills that we need to go through in our Excel module. And it's all about how do we now communicate our worksheet to the wider world. So if, for instance, we've produced this wonderful report, how can I now create this report in a way that I can publish it to a website or I can email it to somebody? And we have to remember that not everybody has Excel. So I can't just email a worksheet. Also, you might be using a phone where Excel is just not working. So what we tend to do is when we have a report that we are happy with and it produces the data that we want it to show, then we create a PDF file. Okay, so you've probably seen PDF files around. Adobe PDF is what they generally call that, but they will always end in a .pdf. And we use PDF files because they can be opened and read on pretty much any computing device. Okay, so anything with a screen can open and read a PDF file. A MacBook or a Windows PC or a laptop or your phone or an Android device, it doesn't matter. Pretty much everything is able to read PDF. Okay, so on the screen now I've got a simple report, and all I've got to have is top left, this is the top right, this is the bottom right, and this is the bottom left. So all of the report data that I want to show is going to be in the middle here. So how do I get this printed? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight the area that I want to print, and then I'm going to select File, and then Print. And it says print, show a print friendly view. Okay, and then I'm going to click OK. And then I get this page up. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is say, I don't want to print the whole sheet, I only want to print the current selection. So that's the cells that I've selected before I press print. I want to make sure my paper size is correct. I want to make sure my paper orientation is correct. And I want to make sure that I've selected fit the sheet on one page, and then press continue. Okay, now this is going to look slightly differently if you're using a Windows PC, but on my Mac PC now, I can say that my destination is save as PDF, and when I press save, it'll ask me where do I want that file to be saved. So I'm going to want to save that to my OneDrive folder, and I want to call it report.pdf, and then press save. And there you have it. That's it. That's simple. Now I can email that PDF file to anybody I want. Okay, good. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know, and I look forward to seeing what you produce.